Hey everybody, this is going to be the Jabra Fan tutorial. I'm going to go through it pretty quick. It's a shorter piece, no, it's a longer piece, but it is easier to learn. The choreo is pretty easy, so let's get into it. This is my right, this is my left. I'll go step by step, and then after that we'll go slowly with counts, and then I'll do it backwards so you can see it like this. Might be easier. Alright, so let's get started. The first 8 counts, or the first 16 counts, is going to be this footwork. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? All I'm doing is taking my right step, bringing my left up, taking it back, bring it back up. And now I turn my left, bring my right up, my left, and my right. Okay? Excuse me. That's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? You're crossing. The hands is going to be 1, 2, to my left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a flick. Okay? That's follow करे Twitter पे tag करूँ Facebook पे. Okay? Have a little bend to it, so follow करूँ Twitter पे tag करूँ Facebook पे. Okay, now after this, it's the same footwork for 4 counts. तेरे नाम पे Google को. Alright? So, तेरे नाम पे Google को. Bring it in, point at the audience, and turn it and bring it up. That's going to be Google, up there. So for तेरे नाम, it's bend your back a little bit and point. तेरे नाम पे Google को, right? So that तेरे नाम पे Google को. Now take your right and step 1, 2, 3. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, and the hands is gonna be right, left, right. So it's gonna be follow करूँ Twitter पे tag करूँ Facebook पे तेरे नाम पे Google को ट्वीट कर दिया. Okay? Now from here, it's easy. Just take the legs. Mir में तू cross. Now right, 1, 2, cross. Crossing with my right, going over. 1, 2. Okay? And that's hands gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू दिखता है. Okay? So मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू दिखता है. Now I'm taking a shimmy, I'm doing little shimmies. तेरे madness. So I'm just stepping. तेरे madness को. तेरे madness को मुझको. And now deep कर दिया. Jump. Okay, so it's left, right, left, jump. That's the footwork. I'm hitting myself like this. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going left, right, forward. So 1, 2, forward. And now from here, jump. Okay? So that's तेरे madness को मुझको beat कर दिया. Jump. Sordik. Okay. Tu है sordiki. So that's the same footwork. So right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's gonna be have a soda in your hand, pretend, and you're stirring it. So, tu hai soda ki bottle. Okay? Tu hai soda ki bottle. And then from here, take your right. 1, 2, and 3. That's me banta tera. So hitting my elbow, hit my elbow, hit my fist. My fist is the cap. So tu hai soda ki bottle, me banta tera. That's good. Me banta tera. Okay. Now from here, take the right, move the hip up, jump back, and now switch your pelvis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and Jabra Fan pose. Okay, so hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose. That is meto handle karu kanta tera. Okay, so on Ra, you want to do like a 1, 2, hit. Just a little nod, any way you want. So, मैं तो handle करूँ हर घंटा तेरा. Okay, from here, next up is the legs is left knee up, down, right knee up, down. Okay, the hands, dil, phone. So, मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का. Okay, मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का. Now step. Yeah, we can step. So, मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू unlimited plan हो गया. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Take my right, hit. Take my left, hit. And that's gonna be when my right comes. First right comes. Take my knee, hit it like that. Then I take my left, and now I hit 1, 2. That is this step. If I'm doing it sideways, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm flicking my right leg back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm here. To hit. मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू unlimited plan हो गया. You can just shake and step with my right. So plan हो गया. Now from here, you want to do this jump and take these mini steps. And we're gonna go into maybe a different formation, some lines or something. But 1, 2, 3, 4, and now jump. And cross, yeah. Cross as you jump. Okay, so my unlimited plan ho gaya. Do. Okay? Let's go up to there. And then the hook step starts. So let's take it back from here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Jabra Fan pose. Hit. Okay? Yeah, let's start right there. Hit. मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का. Yeah, मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू unlimited plan हो गया. So मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू unlimited plan हो गया. Alright. Now the hook step. It's bringing my left foot up, backwards, like that, knee. Okay, so if I'm doing it your way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the hands is going to my left and around, left and around. So this way, left and around, left and around. So that's metera, hide, jabra, hide, jabra. Okay, metera, hide, jabra, hide, jabra. Now from here, fan ho gaya. Okay, but we're doing a 180. So forward, 45, and back. My foot is going forward, 45, and to this 90. Okay. So मैं तेरा height jabra fan ho gaya. Now do it again. मैं तेरा height jabra. Now from here, you might twist somehow. We're gonna get on the ground, just like that. You can do anything to get on the ground, but I recommend you spin like this. I take my right, and that's the prep to point, to bring my knee up, and take this left, put my hand down, take this left, and put it like that. Okay, so bring my, from here, just slide my leg underneath. Okay, this is the position that we want to be in, like this. All right, so we're here. So मेरा height jabra fan ho gaya. Okay. Some people are gonna be moving maybe left to the right. Depends on where you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fan ho gaya. You can just drop down into it sometimes. Some people can drop down. Doesn't matter. But yeah. Now we're in this position. Fan ho gaya. Now from here, what tujhe? Okay. So we're gonna do hops. As long as you can hop, you're fine. I'm just pushing off my hands a little bit and pushing off this right foot. Okay. This one I'm tapping. So 1, 2, 3. I really feel the ground touching my left thigh right here, and my foot right here, heel, and my palms. I'm using my palms to like kind of use my elbows and palms to kind of like push off the ground. So like that. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't have to be high. As long as you're bouncing, you'll be fine. So first count is 1, 2. Next one is 3, 4. Okay. So 3, 4, and then next one is up 5, 6. Okay. So that's वो तुझे देख देख दिल में टन टन हो गया. So वो तुझे देख देख दिल में टन टन हो गया. Okay, so टन टन. Now I want to get up, take my right down, and bring my right up, and just jump up. Okay, so तेरा height jabra fan हो गया. मैं तेरा height jabra fan हो गया. Sorry. और तुझे देख देख दिल में टन टन हो गया. Okay, you have 2 counts to get up. It's a step, jump. Or prep, jump. Let's try it again from there since I messed up. So height jabra fan ho gaya. Oh tujhe dekh dekh dil mein ten ten ho gaya. Main tera. Okay? Main tera. Now from here, height jabra. So height jabra fan ho gaya. Now from here, we're not going fully back, we're just going to the side. And then you want to grab someone's shoulders and jump right, left, right, left. Okay? Right foot comes up first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to be moving off stage with that. Okay? Now that's it. That's the choreo. So let's go through all 4 by 4. Yeah, 4 counts by 4 counts. And we'll go to pace. I might do it backwards, we'll see. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Follow karo, Twitter pe, tag karo, Facebook pe. Okay. So, pe. तेरे नाम गूगल को ट्वीट कर दिया. Got it? Let's do that real quick. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Follow करो ट्विटर पे टैग करो फेसबुक पे तेरे नाम पे गूगल को भी कर दिया. Now from here, मेरे में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू दिखता है. Okay? तेरे madness को मुझको कर दिया jump. Okay, let's do it from there real quick. So beat कर दिया right here. नींद में तो दिखता है, नींद में तो दिखता है, तेरे मैडनेस को मुझको बीट कर दिया. Okay, from here. तू है सोड की बोतल, मैं बनता तेरा. Okay. तू है सोड की बोतल, मैं बनता तेरा. Now from here, jump. मैं तो हैंडल करूँ हर घंटा तेरा. Okay. So let's try again from सोड की बोतल. मैं तो सोड की बोतल, बनता तेरा, मैं तो हैंडल करूँ हर घंटा तेरा. Now from here. मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू अनलिमिटेड प्लान हो गया. Nice. Ready? Again from there. 5, 6, 7, 8. मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू अनलिमिटेड प्लान हो गया. Now the hook step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. और तुझे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. Oh, we gotta restart that. Alright, from let's do it again from the hook step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. और तुझे एक दिल में टेन हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय. 1, 2, 3. And now from here, grab and run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off stage, 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay. I'll do it backwards. I don't know if it'll help you. I'll keep this mirror here. It's hard because then you just can't see the choreo I'm doing in front, but it'll help you with what foot, where it's going, which side. So this is my left, this is my right. Okay? This mirror is not helping. Okay? We'll go through it slowly. I don't think I'm gonna stop this time, okay? So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. फॉलो करो ट्विटर पे, टैग करो फेसबुक पे, तेरे नाम पे गूगल को भी कर दिया. मिरर में तो दिखता है, नींद में दिखता है, तेरे मैडनेस को मुझको बीट कर दिया. तू है सोड की बोतल, मैं बनता तेरा, मैं तो हैंडल करूँ हर घंटा तेरा. मेरे दिल में मोबाइल का तू अनलिमिटेड प्लान हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. और तुझे देख दिल में नैना हो गया. मैं तेरा हाय जबरा फैन हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. I'm sure you're gonna crush it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.